Since my last couple of nail videos, everybody and their mother has been asking me to test out the nail kits that are sold at Sally Beauty Supply. And I went in there thinking I was just gonna get the regular acrylic kit, but then I found this. The salesperson actually recommended it to me. It's the Quick Dip Acrylic Powder. It just says nail color. I hope this is an actual kit. I just realized this. We're gonna find out. So I like to do my own nails. I've never been to a salon to do my nails. I'm not a professional. And I like to remind people of that when I do these videos, because I'll get a lot of people that will comment things like, you should have used this or this, you're supposed to do this. And I'm just trying to use the kits as a normal consumer would. Sometimes I'll use a primer when I do my own acrylic nails, but for the most part, I keep it simple. I've got some nail files from Sally's. Most of my stuff is from Sally's or Walmart. Anywho, now that I've got that out of the way, there's this little plastic tray in here. Found the instructions. We've got the first powder, which is the rose petal pink color. The second color that comes in it, which is the cream soda. And to be honest, I don't like either of these colors. Neither of them look 100% natural. I would rather just have like a really pale nude or just do white, I guess. And then there is 4 bottles in here. We've got a gel activator, a brush cleaner, and these are not in order because this is just the way I grabbed them, but then also a nail base and top gel, and the nail primer. So this one comes with a primer. Okay, let me read through the instructions. Nail preparation. Step 1, using the ASP dual-ended cuticle pusher or birchwood stick, gently push back your cuticles. Using your choice of 180 grit file or an electric file, gently remove the shine from your natural nail. Step 2, remove the excess debris from the nail plate using a clean, dry nail brush. If you're applying to your natural nails with no tip, begin the service of choice. So this kit doesn't come with nail tips, it doesn't come with the files or the brushes or anything, so you're gonna have to get those things, which I'm actually kind of disappointed in. I thought this was gonna have everything in it, so I'm not prepared today. I have to go get my tips dug out of a box somewhere. At this point, you can go straight to adding the acrylic powder. You do not have to add tips, but I want to. You can just do it on your natural nails, trim and file them to the shape that you want, and that's it. But I'm gonna add tips because I want them to be super long. Step 3, trim and shape the natural nails. Select a nail tip and style size that best matches the shape of your natural nail. To adhere the tip, apply a small amount of ASP instant nail glue to the tip well area. Holding the tip at a 45-degree angle, press the tip well section to the nail's free edge. I feel like that sounds confusing if you've never put tips on before, but I'll show it in the video.
Step 4, using a 180 grit file, gently blend the tip to the natural nail and remove the shine from the entire tip. Step 5, use a nail cutter to cut the nail tips to the desired length. And step 6, file the free edge to desired shape.
So there are different ways to apply the powder. I'm just gonna do the solid color application whole nail, not gonna try to do anything fancy for the first time I use it. Step 1, on the natural nail only, apply ASP Quick Dip Step 1 Nail Primer, but it says work 1 nail at a time. So like it says, working one nail at a time, apply the step 1 nail primer to the natural nail only. So if you have tips on, only right here. I'm just now realizing that they never explain, at least in the steps that I've read so far, they never explain this. But in the photos, they're just dipping straight into these, but I'm assuming that there is something you can do with this to dip into. I'm not sure. Did you see that? I'm like, oh, this is easy. Oh, there's another one. I am gonna put it into here because my nails are so long. I just can't tell. Should it go this way? Because it looks like in some photos they like push into the powder. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Oh, it's so silky looking. I'm gonna laugh if this is not what this is for. Step 2, apply quick dip step 2 base and top gel coating on the entire nail bed and dip into the quick dip acrylic powder color of your choice. Tap off the excess. Step 3, repeat step 2 once or twice. I'm gonna go find like a clean makeup brush to wipe off the excess powder. Oh yeah, that's much better. Nice and clean for the next coat. I did pretty good. It's still kind of messy around the edges there. It's really hard to get it smooth when you're brushing it on and it's clear, but that's okay. Let's do it 2 more times maybe. Step 4, apply quick dip step 2 base and top coat gel over the entire colored nail, then follow with a coat of the quick dip step 3 activator. Okay, so I applied the gel activator and they don't explain the brush cleaner, but once I started applying the activator to the nail, the brush started to get stiff. I don't even know if you can see it, but yeah. So I'm assuming that this is what the brush cleaner is for. We'll find out. Maybe I just messed up. The directions on the brush cleaner bottle just say to swap the brushes, so that is what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna finish up on all of my nails and then I'll be back when it's ready to file. And then the last step is to file the nail, shape the nail, and make it shine. I've got all the nails done, and I have to say that is much faster than doing normal acrylics, but I'm not 100% happy with them, but I'll explain it all after I'm done filing them. By the way, I did use the pink color, the rose petal pink. Not a fan. I should have used the other one. Nails are done and filed, and I like them. It was so fast to do this kit. Like usually it takes me a long time to do my own acrylic nails and the filing takes forever, but this was really fast because it's literally just like painting your nails 10 times, but yeah, super easy. Like I'd recommend this if you just want to get your nails done like really quickly. I wouldn't recommend them for looking perfect because It's hard to control exactly what's happening at the cuticle area. It kind of melts off in some spots, and if you're not careful you can end up denting it really easily. And also, I'm sure there's ways to make this better and like practice at it. If you're just painting it on like nail polish, you can't build an apex, so the nails are just flat, and I'll hopefully be showing a close-up right now. They're just flat straight out, and your nails are actually supposed to be curved, especially where the tip meets your natural nail if you're using tips, because that provides more strength and support. So I feel like these will last a long time. I don't feel like they'll pop off, but I feel like they'll break, like they'll probably snap at the point where the tips are. If you're not using tips, I feel like this is great as long as you put on enough to make your own natural nail strong. Like, perfect for not using tips. But if you're using tips like I am, I have a feeling that if you're rough with them, they'll just pop right off. But we'll find out. Follow me on my Instagram. I'll probably do some updates on there, or maybe I can do a video here, updated nail kit. So I'm gonna go paint these because I hate this color, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.